Hello, children. I am the letter Y. I come near the end of the alphabet. I am a consonant letter. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with Y.
Hello, children. I am a yo-yo. I go up and down when you pull my string. I start with the letter Y.
Hello, friends. When we speak very loudly, we yell. Yell starts with the letter Y.
Hi, kids. I am Yarn. I am soft and used for knitting sweaters. Yarn begins with the letter Y.
Hello, everyone. I am a yak. I am a big hairy animal that lives in cold mountains. Yak starts with the letter Y.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter Y. This is the letter Y. Children, look at pictures which are surrounded by letter Y. We can see yo-yo, yell, yarn, and yak. All these words start with the letter Y. Great job, children. See you all in.
Hello, friends. I am a pentagon. I have 5 sides and 5 corners. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I am called a pentagon.
Hi, everyone. I am a button. Look carefully. I am also shaped like a pentagon.
Hello, children. I am a ball. I have designs of pentagon shapes on me.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn a new shape. Look carefully at this page. This shape is called a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. See this green button here? It also looks like a pentagon. And look at this football design. Some shapes on the ball are pentagons too. So children, whenever you see a shape with 5 sides, remember, that is a pentagon. Very good, children. See you all in next session.
Hello, children. I am the sun. When I shine, it is daytime. Hello, children. I am the moon. When I come out, it is night time.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our EVS session. Today we are going to learn about day and night. Children, look at the sun picture. It is daytime when the sun is in the sky. We play games and go to school in the day. At night, the moon and stars appear in the sky. We feel calm and go to sleep. Children, I hope you understand the difference between day and night. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am number 1. I come before 2.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 1. This is number 1. Its spelling is O-N-E. It comes before 2. We use 1 when there is only one or single thing, like one sun, one moon, one pen, one flower. Let's all say together number 1. Yes, very good, children. See you all in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am a fireman. These are my tools. I use them to put out fires.
Hello, children. I am a policeman. These are my tools. I use them to control traffic and keep people safe.
Hello, children. I am a cobbler. These are my tools. I use them to repair shoes.
Hello, children. I am a tailor. These are my tools. I use them to stitch clothes.
Hello, children. I am a teacher. These are my tools. I use them to teach you.
Hello, children. I am a doctor. These are my tools. I use them to help you stay healthy.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about community helpers and their tools. Look at the page carefully. A fireman uses a hose, helmet, and fire truck to put out fires and save people. A policeman uses a whistle, cap, and baton to keep us safe and maintain rules. A cobbler uses tools like a hammer, nails, and polish to repair our shoes. A tailor uses needle, thread, scissors, and sewing machine to stitch clothes. A teacher uses books, board, and chalk to help us learn new things. A doctor uses a stethoscope, medicines, and medical tools to keep us healthy. These helpers make our life safe and easy. Let's always respect and thank them. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 2. I come after 1 and before 3.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 2. This is number 2. It comes after 1 and before 3. We use 2 when there are 2 things, like 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs. Let's all say together, 2. Yes, very good, children. See you.
Hello, children. I am the letter Z. I come end of the alphabet. I am a consonant letter. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with Z. Hello, friends. I am Zebra. I have black and white stripes and I run fast.
Hello, children. I am a zoo. Many animals live happily with me.
And I am Zip. I open and close your bags and jackets easily.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter Z. Children, look at pictures which are surrounded by letter Z. Look here. Z for zebra, a striped animal. Z for zoo, where many animals live. And Z for zip, which opens and closes our bags and clothes. See, all these words start with the letter Z. Very good, children. See you all in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. I am a hexagon. I have 6 sides and 6 corners. You can see my shape in many things around you.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn a new shape, hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Some objects like watch, mirror, plate and goggles also have the hexagon shape. So remember, children, a shape with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Very good. Children, see you in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am number 3. I come after 2 and before 4. You can see me in 3 colors of a traffic light.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 3. This is number 3. Spelling is T-H-R-E-E. 3. It comes after 2 and before 4. We use 3 when there are 3 things, like 3 flowers, 3 balls, 3 pens. Let's all say together, 3. Yes, very good, children. See you all in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hello, children. I am a postman. These are my tools, and I use them to deliver letters and parcels to your homes.
Hello, children. I am a greengrocer. I used to sell fresh fruits and vegetables. Hello, children. I am a milkman, and I sell milk and make products like paneer and cheese.
Hello, children. I am a nurse. These are my tools, and I use them to take care of sick people.
Hello, children. I am a pilot. This is an aeroplane, and I use it to fly people safely from one place to another.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn different community helpers. Let's check them. The postman delivers letters and parcels to our homes. The greengrocer sells fresh fruits and vegetables in the market. The milkman sells milk and helps in making milk products like paneer and cheese. Nurse takes care of sick people using medical tools like a stethoscope and medicines. The pilot flies an aeroplane and takes people safely from one place to another. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. I am number 4. I come after 3 and before 5.
Today, we are going to learn a new number. Look at the board. This is number 4. Look around the classroom. A chair has 4 legs. A table has 4 legs. A square has 4 sides. Very good, children. Now you understand number 4. Students.
Hello, children. I am a florist. These are my tools: scissors, watering can, and flower pot. I use them to cut and care for flowers. I make beautiful flower bouquets.
Hello, children. I am a carpenter. These are my tools: my hammer, saw, and nails. I use wood to make tables, chairs.
Hello, children. I am a baker. These are my tools: oven, tray, and mixing bowl. I use them to bake bread and cakes. Hello, children. I am a mason. These are my tools:
trowel, bricks, and cement. I use them to build walls and houses.
Hello, children. I am a soldier. These are my tools:
Uniform, helmet, and safety gear. I use them to protect my country. I keep everyone safe.
Welcome back, children. Today, we are going to learn about community helpers. Community helpers are people who help us every day. A florist works with flowers.
The florist uses tools like scissors, watering cans, and flower pots.
A carpenter works with wood and makes tables, chairs, and doors.
The carpenter uses tools like a hammer, saw, and nails.
Baker makes bread and cakes. and uses tools like an oven, tray, mixing bowl. A mason builds houses and uses tools like bricks, cement, trowel. A soldier protects our country and uses tools like uniform, helmet, safety gear.
Community helpers are very important. We should respect and thank them.
Very good, children.